So today is just going to be a very simple, quick, and easy how-to video. If you have any year 3.5 liter Ecoboost 2012 to brand new 2025s even, in an F150, Ford Expedition, Lincoln Navigator, this is going to apply to your vehicle because it is the exact same right out of the parts bin for all of three of those types of vehicles and all the years, which is great because it makes it very easy. Let me show you how to do it. So in particular, this one is a 2018 Ford Expedition. I'm sitting inside. It's pretty straightforward. Down here in the bottom is your hood release. So we'll go ahead and pull that. That is also fairly similarly located in all three of those vehicles that I mentioned. It's all down in the bottom footwell, essentially. We can get out, pop the hood. It's right in the middle on the Expedition. It's very easy. This one is a 2018. Here is the airbox, and it's just a couple of very simple clips on the front. And then it comes up. And then there's your air filter. Pull this out, put the new one in, slide it back down. Now on a few of the other year F-150s, the clips are located right here, but it's the same principle. So all you have to do is pull that filter, throw it in the garbage can, slide the new one in, slide your clip in the back on the Expedition at least. Some of the other ones just clip all the way around even. And you're done. Pretty straightforward. Save yourself a couple $100 from going to the dealership or any kind of mechanic garage. They're going to charge you a fair amount of money for it. So save yourself some money. Quick, easy DIY on your Ford or Lincoln Ecoboost product.